Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can download audio messages from Telegram to your iPhone. Friends, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Be sure to write your comments at the end of the video and also put your likes. And let's get started. Open the Telegram application on your iPhone. After that, go to the correspondence where you have an audio message that you would like to save. Now tap on it and hold it down. You will see a small menu like this. From it, select the last option, Select. Then at the bottom in the middle, click on Share. And now, go up a little bit in the window that you'll see, and here you'll need to select Save to Files. And now you can save this audio message to the folder that you have open in the Files app. Or if you click on the three dots, you can save to a new folder that you create here. And when you've decided where you want to save this audio message, click on Save in the upper right-hand corner. And now, to check if the audio message has been saved, go to the Files app. And as you can see, the audio message is saved here. It is signed Telegram Audio. So that's the simple way, folks, you can easily download audio messages from Telegram to your iPhone. I really hope this video was useful and helpful for you. Don't forget to give your likes, friends, subscribe to our channel, and also write your comments. See you soon.